Forget coffee. Matcha is the energy drink you didn't know you needed. Ready to boost your brain power, burn fat, and feel amazing all day long? Let's dive into the top 5 reasons you should swap that coffee for matcha now. So, what's matcha, you ask? It's powdered green tea straight from Japan, made from finely ground, shade-grown tea leaves. Matcha's been around for centuries, and it's packed with way more benefits than your average cup of coffee. Here are the top 5 reasons you should consider switching to matcha. Reason number 1. Matcha gives you a steady energy boost without the jitters or crash that coffee brings. Thank you, L-theanine. Reason number 2. Matcha boosts your metabolism and burns fat faster than coffee. Yes, it's your new workout partner. Reason number 3. Matcha is loaded with antioxidants, 137 times more than regular green tea. Hello, glowing skin and better health. Reason number 4. Want to be focused and calm at the same time? Matcha's got you covered with its perfect balance of energy and relaxation. Finally, reason number 5. Unlike coffee, matcha won't wreck your gut. It's smooth, gentle, and easy on digestion. Say goodbye to coffee-induced acid reflux. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet. Ready to make the switch? Comment below if you're team matcha. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your coffee-loving friends.